Hi everyone, this is video number 4 of the Fishcast Pro tutorial. Today what we'll cover is the recommendation cards. Now these are very good. These are as what the result of your total catches and your locations and the weather data that is being loaded alongside those at those locations. So those three things are being pulled in to a nifty little calculator, and they being spat out at the other end with a recommendation of where and when and what you should be doing in order to get the species that you like the most. So right here we've got, this is our location, and we get a weather recommendation as well. Now this goes with the border color of the recommendation cards. If it's green, obviously good weather. Orange, it's fair. And if it's red, definitely check the forecast and before you go out, because more than likely it's not cool. So let's go to our first recommendation. Now it's showing us that our best times are 6 to 9 a.m, so it's a 3-hour window usually. The air temperature, this forecast, is going to be at that location, at that time. So it is going to be saying what's happening there at that time. So you can also see normally down here with more catch data in it, and I only have 2 or 3 catches in there. So basically the more that you log, the better it's going to get, the more the bigger the spectrum of recommendations is going to be. So here it's giving mixed species because it's going on seed data, because what we actually did previous to the app being launched is we sent out a lot of feelers, and we got some really good top-notch locations around the country. We've got about 450 locations stored in, and hopefully wherever you are, it'll pull up some pretty good locations that you can try, or if you've got local knowledge, of course start logging, start putting those catch and location logs in, and your recommendations can only get better. So what we can also see here is a map of where the location is telling us to be. So for Gurnard, and I know within myself, it's telling me to go and get a Gurnard here, and this is actually a pretty good spot for getting Gurnard. It will also give you more information, and at the moment obviously we don't have a lot of information within your account or my account. So this is more the response that you're going to get for more information. With more weather data and more catch data, it's going to start telling you, well, you caught 23 kahawai in this general location. The weather report, was this, that, and the other, and gives you the medium sort of recommendations for those. Now, this nothing caught is also quite a good feature, because what you can do, if you do happen to go to that location, and you don't catch anything in that time, then absolutely hit that nothing caught button, and that will teach the AI further to look further into the parameters and the algorithm that it's got. So it's a very, very clever self-learning system. And again, we're getting another recommendation for this, possibly a different location. Yep. So we're further out. We're not far. The other one was here, and the next one is here. So what it is effectively telling us is that all this area down through here is fairly good snapper territory for that time in the morning with that weather with those weather conditions. And again, you can get your more information there. Further down, what else have we got? 69, possibly the same location. Oh no, it's giving us another location. So, it's telling us to go and get a Trevally. Yep, and I have got Trevally out here previously. I mean, you get Trevally all through this bay. So that's cool. And again, yep, good fishing potential. And fairly generic answers at this stage because there's not a lot of information that I've put in here. So, as good as the system is, with 2 or 3 catch logs in there, you can't expect too much. And it's feeding off the seed data that we've got within the system. So daily, every 24 hours, you're going to get 5 new recommendation cards. And again, the more you log, the better it gets. If you want to refresh your area, by all means do that, and it will reassess. And chances are, again, with the limited amount of information that we have, it will come back. I think that one is... Oh, it is different. Yeah, okay. So now it's given us a recommendation for a Kawai. And I mean, Kawai are generally everywhere, but, it's telling us to go there. So, yeah, again, it's very, very, very good. So you can, once you hit nothing caught, you can actually go in and you can say what it was, or, you could be saying that the type of, bait that you were using and the method you were using, and it could possibly be different from what was being, recommended. So, because in time again, it will start recommending through here what your method was and what bait you were using and so on and so forth. So, yep. So, okay, that is recommendations. I hope that gives you a good understanding. If you've got any issues or any questions, certainly flick us an email or stick with it. Just keep adding those locations and definitely check that weather. Be safe out there, guys. Tight lines.